So the little tiny fish that are up here are absolutely crazy today. The water is nice and clear, and there's little tiny fish. I don't know. Minnows are minnows out here. I don't know what the species they are, but here. I don't know if I can zoom in. Look at, there's two of them. Which ones are a little bit bigger? Ones with the dark tail? A trout? I don't think so. There they go. What is another little guy? Hi guys. Like, okay, this little minnow guy here, he's been hanging out here the whole entire time. You see him? I'm gonna name him Winston. I'm not sure. But I'm surprised he's put up with asshole and her ball. Let's leave Winston alone. I'm sure he's here somewhere. He just got a little bit scared from big paws. Oh, yeah, yes, there he is. Like, bro just does not want to leave. I love you, Winston. Okay, I don't know. I can't make this larger. I don't know. Maybe it'll let me zoom in. Will it? Okay. All right, so little bro's there. There's another little bro over here. Oh, he's gonna go run away. There he goes. Okay. Or big bro. There's big bro. See him out there. I'm like a nature photographer, fish extraordinaire. Absolutely joking right now. But that little dude looks like he's hanging on for dear life in there. I mean, it always does because they're swimming against the current, duh. But he's so cool. I think he's a trout though, because he's got a little dark tail. I don't know my fish that well. I just eat them.